Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable Bonanza store listings for US buyers. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To enable Bonanza store listings for US buyers, start by logging into your Bonanza account. Once you're on your dashboard, locate the Listings tab in the main navigation menu. Click on the Listings tab to access your current inventory. In the Listings section, find the item you want to enable for US buyers. Click on the pencil icon next to the listing to edit it. In the editing interface, scroll down to the shipping section. Here, you will see shipping options for different regions. Make sure the United States is selected as a shipping destination. If it's not selected, click on the checkbox next to United States to enable it. Next, review the shipping methods you want to offer to US buyers. You can choose standard shipping, expedited shipping, or any other methods that suit your needs. After selecting the desired shipping options, scroll down to the bottom of the page. Click the Save Changes button to apply your updates. Once saved, return to the Listings section to confirm your changes. Check that your listing now shows the US as a buying option. Repeat the process for any additional items you want to enable for US buyers. Lastly, review your store settings to ensure that all configurations support US buyers. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.